Okay, now we will learn the hardware implementation of the segmentation. So hardware implementation, or you can say the address translation from logical address to physical address in segmentation. So although the user can now refer the object in the program by a two-dimensional address, the actual physical memory, this actual physical memory is still of course a one-dimensional sequence of bytes. Right? So thus we must define an implementation, this sub hardware implementation, to map this two-dimensional means the segment number and offset, this two-dimensional user defined addresses into one-dimensional physical addresses. So this mapping is done by segment table. Each entry of the segment table has a segment base. Each entry in the segment table contains the segment base and the segment limit. The segment base contains the starting physical address, like this. The starting physical address of that segment is stored in the base address, and where the segment resides, right, in the main memory, the starting address of that. And the segment limit specify the length of the segment. This is the limit. This is the limit which specifies the length of the segment. So a logical address generated by, this is a logical address generated by a CPU contains two parts. One is segment number, which is denoted by S, and an offset into that segment, it is denoted by D. So this segment number S is used as an index into the segment table. Okay? And the offset D of a logical address must be between 0 से लेकर कहाँ तक, जो लिमिट उस पर्टिकुलर सेगमेंट का है, इस बीच में होना चाहिए. अगर नहीं हुआ ऐसा तो हम उसको ट्रैप करेंगे. सो दिस, लेट्स सी वन बाय वन. दिस सेगमेंट नंबर डिनोट्स which segments to address, and this segment number will work as an index to the segment table, and which will actually, and the segment table where this actual segment table is stored, the address or the base address of this segment table, where this segment table is stored as page table, it is also stored in main memory. So what is the base address of this segment table is stored in the segment table base register. Right? It is one type of registers जिसमें segment table का base address होता है कि ये segment table main memory में कहाँ पर stored है. तो हम जैसे ही segment किसी एक process के किसी segment की demand करता है CPU being in a logical address with some segment number, जैसे ही पता चला कि ये किस प्रोसेस का सेगमेंट नंबर है, उस सेगमेंट टेबल को ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सेगमेंट टेबल बेस रजिस्टर से रीड करता है उस प्रोसेस के पीसीबी से, एंड गिव द सेगमेंट टेबल्स बेस रजिस्टर, एंड बाय हैविंग एन इंडेक्स ऑफ सेगमेंट नंबर वी विल गो टू दैट पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन, लाइक मे बी दिस लोकेशन, this location, we get the base address of that segment. So that base address will be same as always, but now we have to change this two-dimensional address into one-dimensional. तो base address तो वही रहेगा. What about this offset within that segment? That offset must be from 0 to the limit. So we first check that offset should be less than the limit, otherwise it will be illegal memory access. तो लिमिट से ये ऑफसेट छोटा होना चाहिए जो डिमांड कर रहा है लॉजिकल एड्रेस में, दैट मस्ट बी लेस देन द लिमिट स्पेसिफाइड. व्हाट इज दिस लिमिट? जो सेगमेंट पहले स्टोर किया गया था, ये लिमिट सेगमेंट जो स्टोर किया गया था वो इसी लिमिट में होना चाहिए. जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन एग्जीक्यूट हो रहा है इस पर्टिकुलर सेगमेंट का लिमिट यही है, इसके आगे नहीं जाना चाहिए. राइट? तो वो अगर उसके आगे नहीं जा रहा है तभी आप उसको आगे जाने दोगे, नहीं तो ट्रैप टू द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. एंड इफ इट इज़ लीगल इंस्ट्रक्शन एक्सेस तो यस में आप कहाँ जाओगे? यू विल ऐड दैट ऑफसेट विद द बेस एड्रेस ऑफ दैट सेगमेंट and that will convert it into physical address of one dimension, and that one dimension address will go to that particular location and access that particular instruction of that segment in the physical, and that will convert by adding the base address value and the offset value. We will make one dimensional physical address, and that one dimensional physical address will go to the physical memory to access that particular instruction which is demanded by the CPU in a segment, in that segment, inside that segment, right? So this is logical address to how we are mapping the logical address into physical address. This is the hardware implementation of segmentation. So you need to remember two things. What this segment table stored, segment table में limit और base value of each segment store होता है. जितने number of entries in the segment table will be equal to the number of segments of that program, right? और STBR क्या है? Segment table base register which stores the value of base address of that segment, and the CPU generates logical address. That logical address consists of two parts. It is of two dimensional. S sequence, that is segment number, D offset within that segment, right? So in the same way that we have done in the contiguous memory allocation, if you remember, somewhat it is similar to that, where we are adding the offset with the base address and going to access the actual instruction. So this is very simple, right?